Hello all, welcome to Your Schemes. I am Ilakya. I hope you are all doing well. Unity Small Finance Bank. This bank is offering highest interest rate for fixed deposit. Today in this video, we will be seeing all about Unity Small Finance Bank, fixed deposit interest rate, saving account interest rate and other key features. Without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start with fixed deposit interest rate. For a tenure of 7 days to less than 6 months, the interest rate ranges from 4.50% to 5.75%, and for senior citizen, the rate ranges from 4.5% to 6.25%. For a tenure of 6 months to 201 days, the interest rate is 8.75% for general public and 9.25% for senior citizens. For a tenure of 202 days to 500 days, the interest rate ranges between 6.75% to 7.35%, and for senior citizen, the interest rate ranges from 7.25% to 7.85%. For a tenure of 501 days, general public will get 8.75% and senior citizen will get 9.25%. For fixed deposits maturing between 502 days to 1000 days, general public can get 7.35% to 7.40%. Senior citizen for the same tenure can get 7.85% to 7.90%. For a tenure of 1001 day, general public will get 9% interest and senior citizens will get 9.50%. From 1002 days to 3 years, 7.65% for general public, 8.15% for senior citizen. 3 years to 5 years, 8.25% for general public and 8.75% for senior citizens. More than 5 years to 10 years, 7% to general public and senior citizens will get a rate of 7.50%. These rates are effective 14th June 2023. For premature withdrawal of FD or RD in this bank, a premature penalty of 1% shall be charged. Let's now look at the saving deposit rate. Up to 1 lakh rupees, the interest rate for saving account is 6%. For balance from more than 1 lakh to 10 crore, the interest rate is 7%. If your question is Unity Small Finance Bank safe for FD, then please check this video. If you want to compare the Unity Small Finance Bank interest rate with other small finance bank interest rate, please check this video out. If you feel this information was helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can write us to yourschemes@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.